The ship, MV Heng Tong, beached on Wednesday. Owned by a Hong Kong-based company, it is 98 meters in length and 20 meters wide, and has a capacity of 3,600 deadweight tonnage. It was built in 2010. The ship was yet to be salvaged on Thursday. And off. It is apparently awaiting a crew change, he added. The official said the KPT then alerted the Pakistan Maritime Security Agency, which couldn't provide much help as well. He said salvaging the vessel is the responsibility of the ship's seaview.
By the time the vessel informed KPT of her drifting, it was already in shallow waters. PMSA was also alerted by KPT immediately. KPT navigation channel has not been impacted. Furthermore, KPT marine pollution staff is closely monitoring the situation. Thanks for watching and please like subscribe for more information.